So the other day I was making a soap and it dropped from my hand and it broke and I couldn't use it. So I made a cubes out of it and now I'm going to make a fresh soap using these cubes in my soap. So I'm just taking this glycerin soap base and going to melt it, and we will see how uh, a bad batch of soap can be used in different designs. Love yourself. So after measuring, I'm going to add some nice bright color to this, and I decided to add light bluish type of color to this so that I can use these white cubes to enhance in that color, and mixing them and melting them, and I'm going to pour it in my mold using isopropyl alcohol, spraying it all the time because this is the most essential part of making melt and pour, and also added some fragrance to it, and lightly delicately pouring it, and then I will be adding those cubes. In the next mold I will be pouring that shea butter soap to our next mold, in which I am placing those cubes of soap cubes and adding that shea butter soap base, which I colored a light blue, that firoza color you can call it, a turquoise or a marine color you can call it also, and just placing them just outside so that they are looking outside from the soap mold, so that would give a very nice feel to the soap. To use that leftover shea butter soap and the glycerin, the transparent glycerin soap base, I will be melting and pouring them together, so that would give a different design to my soap. Like that, coming back to our fourth mode, in which I'm just going to use that transparent glycerin soap base, and I will be decorating it with rose petals, and that's it. And like this you can use all the waste soap which you have not made correctly, and which can be redesigned into a new soap. So now let's demold it and we will see how beautiful they are looking. So my best one is this sky blue marine that gives a very nice glycerine look to it, and also very light color and very soothing to the eyes. तो दोस्तों मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें, लाइक करें और शेयर भी करें, और बेल आइकॉन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको न्यू अपडेट्स के नोटिफिकेशंस जाते रहें। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।